In this video, I will show you how to create a Pi wallet. So first of all, make sure that you have the Pi wallet app downloaded on your device and the Pi browser app as well. And once you have done that, and once you are logged in with your Apple, your phone number, or your Facebook account, then you will be inside of the Pi app. And in order to create your Pi wallet, you need to click on the three stripes at the top left. And from here, you need to click on Mainnet. And in here, in order to create a wallet, you need to follow the Mainnet checklist. So go ahead and click on this. And in here, you can see that the first step is to download the browser. And the second step is to create the wallet. So in order to create it, let's go ahead and click on Start. And right now you will be redirected to your other Pi app. And right now you need to click on Generate New Wallet. Or when you already have a created wallet, then go ahead and select Already Created Wallet. I don't have one yet, so I'm going to click on Generate New Wallet. So once you have clicked on Generate New Wallet, you will see your recovery phrase, and it's really handy that you store this somewhere safe. And I've just copied this to my notes, so it is in a safe place right now. And once you have clicked on Continue, then you will see your personal wallet address in here. And you can also go ahead and copy this to your clipboard and paste it in your note file. And you can also select some privacy preferences. For example, if you want to be searchable by username or not searchable. And then others have to manually type in your wallet address to send you your cryptocurrency. I'm just going to click on searchable by username, and I'm going to click on continue. So as you can see, we have right now created our wallet, and right now we can make transactions with this wallet. So we can transfer it to different exchanges, and we can also transfer Pi to this account. So it's really easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.